What's up, everybody? This is Lawrence Ryan here, coming to you live once again from the tunnel. I hope everybody's staying safe, practicing social distancing, avoiding crowds and gatherings of all sizes, and getting us closer to that point of immunity where we need to be. Yes, we have vaccines, but they are not going to be taking effect fully until months and months and months from now. So we still need to follow the protocol. Stay safe, everybody. I'm wearing this coat right now, not because it's cold down here. It's actually pretty good, pretty temperate. But I just had no place to put a coat down here. I could throw it on the railing or on the floor, but there is no place to put it. Nor is there any place to put it up at Civilization in my apartment. I don't have a whole lot of space for a coat rack or anything like that. So there's no place to put a coat or a jacket or anything like that. So I was thinking about that when I was out for the holidays looking for gifts for people. I was in a place looking for one person at this kind of gardening / landscaping center. And I came across this unit, which I think is designed to hold tools. It's cast iron. When you push this ring on the bottom, 3 arms extend out. So I thought, perfect coat rack, right? And fully retractable. So I looked at an area that I thought I wanted to mount it up there. And the wall itself, I checked it with a stud sensor, and the studs are 24 inches apart inside the wall, which would not be great for something like this, because you would basically be mounting part of it into the drywall. Cast iron, eventually that thing would probably come loose. So you need to have some kind of base behind it. And I thought, maybe I got some wood somewhere. That should do it. Okay, So this is the area where I want to mount the coat rack. And the stud is in this vicinity somewhere. I'm not exactly sure. So in order to find it, we're going to use one of these. This is the Zircon Edge Finder. And what this does is it uses a capacitor plate to find the depthness is not a word, to find the depth in the wall. So when it changes, we should get a signal. So let's see what we got. Looks like one edge. And that's the other edge. So we're going to mark those. Mark there. Okay, that looks about right. So between those two marks should be the 2x4 or 2x6 that's in that wall. I'm going to use a nail to make sure. And I've hit some wood. We got a stud. Awesome. Alright, so now I'm just going to measure across to that point where the stud is, so I have a measurement for the rack to make the holes for the fasteners. Screws. So we got 8 inches dead center. Okay, so the measurement to the center of that stud is 8 inches. But I'm going to offset the rack by 3/8 of an inch from the edge right here. So I need to subtract 3/8 of an inch from that measurement to line it up. I'll show you. Okay, if I was going to mount this right up against the edge, I would just make a mark right here at 8 inches. One at the bottom, draw a line, and drill the holes to mount it right there. But since I'm going to offset it by 3/8 of an inch, the whole rack is going to move that way, 3/8 of an inch. So I have to move the mark 3/8 of an inch this way. So right there. Make one mark. Now I'll do the same thing on the bottom. All right. So, remember what I said before, the studs in this wall are 24 inches apart, which puts the second stud we were supposed to use behind this cabinet. When I noticed that before, I just decided I was just going to make it shorter, and we'll use the hollow wall on one side to anchor it. So that's why I have this clamped temporarily to the wall, because I have to mark where the hollow wall anchors are going to go. I also have a level on top to make sure it's level. So I'm going to mark those now. There we go. Battery dead. Okay, so the holes are now drilled for the toggle bolts for that side. The toggle bolts are through here. I'll mount that side first, put the screws on the other side into the stud, and the installation should be complete. So let's get these guys in. Looks like it's holding. Put 2 screws in, we're good to go. It is finished. Finally. I now have a place to hang my coat. What do you think about that? Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, I'll put some links down below. You can help support the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and or follow. Smash that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming. Stay well, be safe, and I'll see you on the other side.